Good morning from Master Trust and welcome to Tuesday's trading session at Dalal Street dated the 30th of April 2024. US Dow Jones rose 0.40%, settling the day at 38,386.09 while Nasdaq ended the session at 15,983.08, rising 0.35%. In Asian market, Nikkei is trading at 38,524.64 and Hang Seng is trading at 17,843.44. GIFT Nifty is currently trading at 22,770.50, indicating a gap-up start for the Indian market. Yesterday, FII bought 169.09 crores in the cash market. CC Securities confirmed that it has received an email from NCLT informing that certain shareholders of the company have filed an application before the NCLT regarding delisting of equity shares. Market regulator SEBI's action on BSE to pay regulatory fees on notional turnover instead of premium would have an impact of 120 crore rupees cash outflow for past dues on the exchange. SEBI asks NSE to appoint valuer to gauge business foregone by Lind India to related party Praxair India. Now talking about global aspects, Wall Street's main indexes crept higher in volatile trading on Monday as shares of Tesla and Apple advanced, while investors exercised caution ahead of the Federal Reserve's interest rate decision later in the week. Oil prices fell slightly in Asian trade on Tuesday, extending declines from the prior session as focus remained on any progress in ceasefire talks between Israel and Hamas. WTI fell 4.6% to $82.50 a barrel, while Brent fell 1.3% to $87.02 a barrel. The US 10-year Treasury yield is at 4.61%, down. The US dollar is trading at 105.66, up by 0.12. Here is a recap of Monday's trading session. Domestic benchmark indices exhibited a bull run today, buoyed by notable advances in banking and financial services stocks, along with positive global market trends. Sensex and Nifty conclude the day, with gains of more than 1%, at 74,671.28 and 22,643.40 respectively. Sectorally, auto and realty declined while others gained. Outlook for the day. Nifty may exhibit sideways to bullish movements, with the resistance range identified at 22,800 to 23,000, and support noted at 22,450. As per the market's sideways to positive view, buying on declines could be advantageous, provided appropriate stop-loss measures accompany it. In Nifty, prices may march towards 50,000 in the near term but also have a possibility of facing consolidation in the price range of 49,000 to 49,600, with the crucial support at the 49,000 mark. A breach below this would negate the prevailing trend. In this circumstance, buying at the level of 49,000 would be beneficial to mitigate higher losses. Stocks on radar are Balrampur Chini Mills, AB Capital, Ultratech Cement, SBI Life, ICICI Bank. That is all we have for now. For any queries, do visit our website www.mastertrust.co.in. Thank you and have a profitable day. Please note that stocks mentioned in the podcast are only for educational purpose. Our company or any of its employees shall not be held responsible for any investment or trading action undertaken by any person based on stocks mentioned in this podcast.